Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. So dear students, I am again with you all with the video 3 of lesson number 3 from your workbook, The Trees and the Eggs. So objective of this video is, after this video you will be able to solve the exercise Learn to Write. So what you have to do in this exercise, there are some sentences that describe a banana tree and a Christmas tree. Okay, there are a few sentences about the banana tree and the Christmas tree, but they have got mixed up. Separate them and write them correctly. The first sentence for each tree has been written for you. So here are the sentences. Okay, these all are sentences about the banana tree and the Christmas tree. Let's read them out. The banana tree grows in hot countries like Pakistan. The Christmas tree grows in the cold countries like Switzerland. It has a trunk but no branches. It has a thin trunk and grows like an upside down cone. Its huge leaves grow from the top of the tree. Its thin, long leaves grow all around the thin trunk like a fan. It produces only one big bunch of fruit. It does not produce fruit that can be eaten. Pakistanis love this tree and its fruit. It is decorated during the Christmas. So students, we can see in this paragraph the lines are mixed up. We have to separate the lines who belongs to the banana tree, and we have to separate the lines which belongs to the Christmas tree. Okay, now read them again. The banana trees grows in hot countries like Pakistan. So this line belongs to the banana tree. The Christmas tree grows in cold countries like Switzerland. It is clearly, we can see that this line belongs to the Christmas tree. It has a trunk but no branches. So students, this line belongs to the banana tree because a banana tree has a trunk but it has no branches at all. It has so many leaves but it has no branch. So this line belongs to the banana tree. It has a thin trunk and grows like an upside down cone. So student, it is clearly shown in this line that this line belongs to the Christmas tree because the shape of the Christmas tree looks like a cone and it has a thin trunk. So this line will go into the paragraph of Christmas tree. Its huge leaves grow from the top of the tree. So a banana tree has a huge leaves. So this line belongs to the banana tree. Its thin, long leaves grow all around the thin trunk like a fan. So you can see a Christmas tree has this shape of leaves. So this line belongs to the Christmas tree and the previous line belongs to the banana tree. It produces only one big bunch of fruit. So it is clear in this, only banana trees produce only one big bunch of bananas. So this line belongs to the banana tree. It does not produce fruit that can be eaten. A Christmas tree does not produce any fruit. It is only used for the decoration in the Christmas days. Pakistani loves these trees and its fruit. Definitely they are talking about in this line about the banana tree. It is decorated during Christmas, so this line belongs to the Christmas tree. So here are the lines which belongs to the banana tree. The banana tree grows in hot countries like Pakistan. It has a trunk but no branches. Its huge leaves grow from top of the tree. You can see in the pictures. It produces only one big bunch of fruit. Pakistanis love this tree and fruit. So here are all the lines which belongs to the banana tree, and you have to write in this area. Okay, and here are the lines which belongs to the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree grows in cold countries like Switzerland. It has a thin trunk and grows like an upside down cone. You can see its shape is upside down cone. Its thin long leaves grow all around the thin trunk like a fan. It does not produce any fruit that can be eaten. Christmas tree cannot produce any fruit. It is decorated during the Christmas. So these are all the lines about the Christmas tree, and we have write them like a paragraph. So this is how you have to do your homework in your workbook. Okay, you have to write the lines as it is you are seeing in the picture. So here is your work. You have to do this work on your workbook on page number 19 and 20. I hope you understand it well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.